In this section of the training, I will discuss some of the key features of Mitsubishi Electric MELSERVO J4 series devices. The servo motor operation that causes equipment to move also generates two types of vibration. This includes vibration of the actual device and vibration at the end of the arm. This vibration prevents the servo motor from accurately stopping connected equipment at specified or desired positions. We have developed the Advanced Vibration Suppression Control 2 feature to reduce both types of vibration. Robust filters are used with high-inertia equipment driven by belts and gears, such as industrial printers and packing equipment. These filters achieve high responses and stability at the same time and without the need for tuning. The one-touch tuning feature enables users to quickly and easily set devices for maximum performance. The scope of the one-touch tuning function also includes automatic tuning of the previously described Advanced Vibration Suppression Control and Robust Filter features.